name's Lydia. Welcome. I wanted to do a live stream tonight on YouTube. I am new to doing YouTube videos, but I am not new to creating pieces of art, which I call them. If you enjoy wire wrapping, torching, as I call it, jewelry, then I think you'll enjoy my channel. I'm trying to get some videos up now because apparently I didn't know that we had to have 50 subscribers in order for me to do this. So I apologize. I had planned a live. I've been advertising it for weeks and weeks, and when I finally go to do it, they tell me you can't do it. You haven't got enough subscribers to do this mobile. So anyway, take care. I'll be sending up some tutorials. Please come watch. Please like, please subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.